How to safely remove hot glue from fabric.
Hello there, everyone. Today we're going to tackle an issue many crafters and DIY enthusiasts encounter: how to remove hot glue from fabric. You may be wondering if you should use a solvent to do this, so let's dive in and find the best approach.
Should I use a solvent?
The answer to this question is a bit tricky, as it depends on the type of fabric. Solvents can potentially damage or discolor certain fabrics, so it's crucial to test on an inconspicuous area first if you decide to use one. Remember, the goal is not to damage your fabric further, so if there's any doubt, it's best to try other methods first. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions if you choose to use a solvent.
What are other ways to remove hot glue?
If you're not comfortable using a solvent, or if you found that the solvent damages your fabric, don't worry, there are other methods. One effective method is to freeze the glue. You can place the fabric in the freezer, and after an hour or two, the glue should be brittle enough to break off. Another method is to use an iron. Place a piece of cloth or a paper bag over the glue, then carefully iron over it. The heat should make the glue transfer to the cloth or paper bag. Remember to be gentle and patient when removing the glue. Forcing or rushing it could harm the fabric. And there you have it, a guide on how to safely remove hot glue from fabric. While using a solvent can be an option, it's crucial to consider the type of fabric and test it first. Remember, other methods like freezing or using an iron can also be effective. We hope this video has been helpful and you now feel equipped to tackle that pesky hot glue without damaging your fabric. Happy crafting, everyone!